Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, your channel for all things beautiful in nature. As a YouTuber with 10 years of experience, I have learned that patience, joy, and nurturing are the keys to a thriving garden. Here, every flower tells a story and every moment spent with greenery brings peace. Do you love roses? Do you dream of them growing healthy and blooming all year round? Then this video is for you. Ready? Let's get started and get planting. Step 1. Make your own all-natural rooting hormone to help your rose cuttings grow strong roots. We will start with a powerful yet all-natural rooting hormone. Let me show you how. 1. Prepare the ingredients. You will need 3 cloves of garlic, 100 milliliters of clean water, aloe vera gel and brewed coffee or dry coffee grounds, and 400 milliliters of warm water if using dry coffee grounds. Prepare the garlic. Take 3 cloves of garlic, peel and chop them to release their natural compounds. Garlic is a natural antiseptic, protecting cuttings from fungal infections and root rot. Point 3. Soak the garlic. Soak the minced garlic in 100 milliliters of clean water for about 10 minutes. This releases the protective compounds. Point 4. Add the aloe vera, peel off the green skin of the aloe vera leaf and use only the clear gel inside. This gel keeps the roots moist and stimulates growth. Point 5. Prepare the coffee. If using dry coffee grounds, pour the brewed coffee into a cup with the aloe vera gel. The coffee promotes better nutrient absorption by beneficial bacteria. Point 6. Mix and soak. Let the entire mixture sit for about 5 minutes to allow all the ingredients to blend. Point 7. Strain the solution. After soaking, mix 2 cups of the solution. Use a fine mesh strainer to strain out the residue, leaving only the clear, pure liquid. This is your powerful natural rooting solution. Step 2. Prepare your rose cuttings for success. Proper selection and preparation of the stem is key to successful propagation. Choosing the cutting. Choose a young rose cutting that is not too young or too old, ideally about 15 to 20 centimeters long. This is the perfect size for quick rooting and healthy growth. Leaf pruning. Remove most of the leaves from the cutting. This helps minimize evaporation and helps the cutting retain moisture. Cut the base of the cutting at a 45-degree angle just below the leaf node. This increases the surface area for nutrient absorption. Soak the prepared cutting base in your natural rooting hormone solution for 1 to 2 hours. This allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply, promoting strong root growth. Step 3. Hydroponic rooting. Watch your roses grow. This method speeds up root growth and reduces the risk of disease. Prepare the setup. Get a clear glass jar and a sponge. The sponge will act as a lid to hold the cutting and allow air to circulate. Pour the solution. Pour the natural rooting hormone solution you just mixed into the glass jar. Secure the cutting. Use a soft plastic tie to gently secure the cutting just below a leaf node, making sure the node is above the foam. New growth will emerge from this node. Inserting the sponge. Gently insert the rose stem through a small slit in the sponge, making sure only the bottom 3 to 5 centimeters of the stem is submerged in water. The sponge keeps the stem upright and prevents mold. Create a mini greenhouse. Cover the jar with a clear plastic bag and tape it lightly. This creates a humid mini greenhouse, promotes root growth, and protects against temperature changes. Location and care. Place the jar in a bright, airy location near a window with intermittent sunlight. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight, especially during the first few days. Maintain water quality. Change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh and oxygenated. You can also add a little natural rooting solution during the first few days to encourage stronger root growth. Step 4. The magic of root growth and potting. Now, let's keep an eye out for those exciting signs of growth and get ready for potting. Observing root growth. After about 7 to 14 days, you will start to see small white roots growing from the base of the cutting. This is a clear sign that your roses are thriving hydroponically. Watching for new buds, small, soft green buds, signaling new growth will emerge from the leaf nodes. They signal new life in your cuttings. Potting the cuttings. Once the roots have developed well, it is time to pot them up. You can use cocoa peat, which is great for aeration and moisture retention, or any other nutrient-rich, breathable soil. Potting care. Place the potted plant in a location with indirect light, avoiding strong direct sunlight. Keep the soil moderately moist. Do not let it get waterlogged. Spray lightly daily. Fertilize with organic fertilizer or a diluted nutrient solution every 2 weeks. Apply turmeric powder to the cut area of the original stem to help prevent infection and promote faster healing. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, with this natural method, you will easily be able to successfully propagate healthy, beautiful rose branches. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you find it useful. See you in the next videos.